All right. Oh, hey guys. So we're Team Grandeur, and so I'm going to show you guys how our Connect work. So we couldn't have done this project without two great helpers to help us get the Connect on PC working. So what you see in here, this looks like one of those heat sensing, thermal vision things. This is called the Synapse, and it's you can go check them out. Just Google them up and search for Synapse. They're the ones that would design the Connect Hacked. And also, this is the Max patch made by Luke Woodbury. Found it on the forum, and he was helping out some of the PC users. So we kind of borrowed his patch.
So somewhere over here.
What it's going to do is that whoever enters in the Connect will get sensed.
It's in the crack.
And then things I
He's
can
also
tell
controlling
it to
the eye at the
click
back
on
right
his
now.
joint positions to show
Right now they're both
to
being
start
tracked
tracking
by
the
the
joints.
same.
And then inside there, I can
same,
use this kind of basic visualization to show where all the movements are.
However,
and stuff. So I'm
we
going to
find
give you a
separate
brief
discreetly
demonstration. So Jeremy, you want to come walk in?
Yes, sir.
All right. Here we go. So you can see Jeremy coming in. Okay, do the pose. There we go. Cool. You see how all the points join in, right, and stuff. And then also this little light on, saying that light, when it's light, it would track the skeleton. Since I clicked on right and left hand, in the other patch, you'll see that all the variables are moving. It's great. So Jeremy can move them around. See, there you go. Check him out. Yeah. All right. So he's moving around. So then I have packaged them and sent them to localhost 9001 and 9000, which in my other Max patch you see here that he can able to control the music and all sorts of all the other variables. So. Yeah, but also in the Isadora, if you open these up, you can see how here, you can see how he's also controlling the horizontal position and the vertical position of the characters. So that's pretty much how it works. So that's our Connect, and we're gonna build off from there. So thank goodness we got that working. So great. Hey guys, so this is me, and this is right now our current patch for our Max patch for our project. So currently what I'm doing right now is I'm going to send data to another computer, so that since we're going to have probably 2 or 3 projectors running, and one is the is the camera with the mirror, so it's going to be our character is going to be following the user as they walk around. So right now, the camera with the mirror, the projector with the mirror is set up to my computer, and the other one's on the Mac there, and one's possibly on Jeremy's computer. We're gonna figure out if we are going to use 3 or 2. So right now I'm just gonna hook things up. I'm gonna continue to do work now. And pick it up. There you go. So you can see on the screen when he picks it up, that right now, and you can see my mouse, this is actually tracking his torso joint, and we're going to program it so that when he bends over, the torso joint, once it hits a certain area, the if statement triggers and you'll create a bang, and this bang is going to send to Isadora, where Isadora will recognize it and he will play us the specific video file for that. Now Logan, I'm going to ask you to walk all the way to the back wall. Hug the wall, all the very back, So as he goes to the back, you see that this number, this is the z-axis that's going that's happening, that is actually tracking his right foot. And when the z-axis hits a certain limit, this is the limit. I probably have to calibrate it a little bit because Nolan is really small. Once it goes over, you can see that the yellow lights occur and it's going to trigger a bang. And this bang will eventually send to Isadora to play another specific video. So these are kind of our basic triggers so far, playing around with the if statements and conditioning in Maximus P. So then what we're going to do is that it's going to create animations, it's going to create our interaction with the ball in our video, which we'll show in our next episode. So right now this is our current Isadora patch for our project. As I said earlier on the Max MSP part, we're using probably 2 to 3 projectors. So each computer will have its own patch, and one's specifically for the main character, and the other one's for the sub characters that we're going to be using. So pretty much we got OSCs like right here. That's bringing in all the Max communication. We're gonna these are all the calibrations we gotta do, so which will move all the way to the projector, which will increase the height, the zoom, the intensity, etc. We also have sound triggers, which will tint the video to create different colors for our characters. That's one way we're gonna do that. So that Bai won't have to 3D render like 50 billion different character colors for each of ours. So we're gonna let Isadora take care of that. But that's what we have so far, and we're just gonna keep working on it. So I'll see you next time.